Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 2nd of November. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story, honey. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing sessions, you guys can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Cappies, the mutual energy or the overall energy for the connection right now, Capricorn. The mutual energy or the overall energy for the connection right now. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Three of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Cups. There is interference of third party or third parties in the bond. Now the third party can be romantic third party, it can be family, it can be distance, it can be one of you addicted to being casually involved with other energies also, and one of you being very serious. But the interference of third party in the dynamic is creating a lot of distance between you guys, physical and emotional, both. Anyway, so the conscious energy is Seven of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Three of Wands. I know I'm looking good, thank you. So you guys are waiting for the time. So like one of you is taking a step back and trying to reevaluate the situation from a distance. Like, is it worth taking the risk for my life? Is this situation, is this bond the one where I should take the risk of moving forward and jumping into the unknown, knowing I might or might not get what I really want out of this situation? So both of you are trying to move forward in your individual lives, and both of you are waiting for the answers from the universe's side, whether this situation is something that you guys should invest in, that you guys should take the risk for, or you guys should just let it go. There's a sense of waiting, and then there is this energy of I cannot wait forever, I have to keep moving forward in your life, in my life. And then it's the energy of but I want to take the risk. So deep down you guys want to take the risk of moving forward in this connection, moving forward in this direction, and see where things can go. But at the same time there's a lot of sense of waiting and waiting and waiting, and being hopeful and positive that with time everything is going to be fine. There are better days that's coming, there are better energies, and something is going to happen and everything is going to be fine. The more you are going to trying to figure it out, the more it's becoming confusing and a little bit difficult to understand for you guys, right? Three of Cups is like there's a sense of collaboration, there's a sense of partnership, there's a sense of friendship between you guys. The bond is really beautiful, where both of you share a very good friendship kind of energy with each other. You guys feel the warmth of the connection, you guys feel the thrill of the connection, but when it comes to the serious portion, things are not going well, and you guys are not able to understand whether this is ever going to be something worth taking the risk for. So the mutual energy here is of trying to understand whether it's a good investment or not from both the sides, this dynamics. And the lesson here is that the more you are going to wait and just watch and do nothing about the situation, the more it's going to be difficult for you guys to understand. It's going to create more and more distance rather than creating the solution for you guys. You guys have to come on the same page. You guys have to properly talk it out with honest energies with each other. Then only you guys will be able to figure out some kind of solution here. Otherwise, it's always going to be a situation of why should I do that, they should also do that, and one of you is maybe planning to do something about it, the other person is not. That's why things are, I'm telling you, one of you might be serious, one of you is casually involved with other energies also, because they don't feel like being tied down is a good idea. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Cappies. Knight of Swords. Somebody is feeling very impulsive urge to like rush towards you and to charge on you. Okay, let me clarify this. Knight of Swords. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. So somebody is feeling like they should come forward towards you with a very impulsive energy and sort it out with you and fix it with you. And they feel like they should sort it out with you in a way that everything is fine, everything is stable. Let's start from the start, and this time we are not going to mess this up. This time we are going to find a peaceful solution to the problems that we are facing, and let's make it work out in a mature and grounded way. So somebody is feeling very impulsive, this urge and this desire to sort it out with you and have some kind of stable and mature and grounded kind of future between you and them. But the way they feel like coming forward towards you, it's like they feel like fixing the situation as quickly as possible, like quick fix. Okay, they're getting restless for fixing this. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? For some of you, they're rushing towards a totally new person, totally new energy without even thinking about the situation, this bond, and they feel like they are going to find the stability and the groundedness in that bond. For most of you, it's like towards you only. For some of you, it can be they rushing towards a totally new person, new energy, getting engaged or getting connected or settled. Oh my God. Let's see. And they're not thinking about how quickly they are doing it. They are definitely going to regret it later on. The quick fix never works. Neither wants. From your side, you feel like just enjoying the journey, just being in this connection, maybe for the sake of being in the connection. You feel like enjoying the ride for some reason. What's happening, Cappies? What's happening? Let's clarify the Knight of Wands here. We have the Devil, the King of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles. So you are the devil here, huh? So Cappies, you're like, this situation is making you feel like on and off, in and out, excited, addicted. But you feel like, I can make it work out. I can make it good. How? I don't know, but you are kind of addicted to this situation, Cappies. I'm going to call upon you. I'm going to, tell you exactly what I'm getting here without sugarcoating. I don't care if your ass is going to get hurt, if your ego, fragile ego. I don't give a damn. This is what I feel. This is what I'm getting, and I'm going to tell you honestly. You guys are feeling like this is addiction to you. This is unhealthy addiction, but you feel like at some point of time you will be able to, make it work out. You will be able to stabilize this bond, and everything is going to be fine. How? You don't know. But you feel like you will be able to do that. You have the capacity. When are you going to do that? I don't know. That's what you're telling me. I'm just enjoying the ride. So you are the one who is not invested enough in the situation, and they are planning to invest in the bond. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Cappies. Ten of Pentacles. This person wants to settle down with you, and they want to have a long-term partnership with you. They want to build with you. Build a house, build a business, build a family with you. They want to have a very stable, long-term partnership kind of a deal with you. Somebody is serious. Somebody is getting more serious than usual for you, and you are not. Oh, Cappies, okay. You're like, they gave me this, they gave me that. Why should I be serious? We have the Page of Swords, the Death card, the King of Swords. They want to let go of the distance. There's some kind of distance between you guys, maybe physical or emotional. Now they don't want to have any more distance between you and them, and now they want to come to the point straightforward. Now they want to straightforwardly come to the point, and they want to have this long term partnership with you, where they want to create a long term serious relationship with you. Marriage, commitment, family. Maybe your families are involved in the bond, in the connection. That's why they want it more than they want it on a deeper level. But this person wants to create something long term, something meaningful with you, and they want to let go of the distance of whatever kind it is, emotional, physical, mental. So this person wants to come straight to the point. I want to be with you, Capricorn, for the rest of my life. What do you suggest? What do you say? Okay. Let's see. What do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Nine of Pentacles. You want to focus on yourself. You want to focus on your money, your job, your career. Honey, you don't want to lose your independence and your freedom for anything or anyone right now. You're like, I don't want to lose it. I want to keep it. Keep my freedom, keep my independence. I love it. Let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles. We have the Knight of Wands, the Four of Cups, and Knight of Pentacles. Because you have been disappointed in this department of your life so many times, you're like, fuck this shit. I'm not going to invest in anything that's going to disappoint me at the end of the day. You're too scared to invest in any kind of serious relationship as of now because you were disappointed so many times. So you just want to keep this on and off, in and out kind of casual things going, and you just want to stay independent and free. Just focus on your money, job, career, and your own things because you're scared and you don't want to get disappointed and hurt again, ever. How that works, honey? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 2nd of November, Cappies. Devil. Let me clarify this devil. This is giving me a headache now. Let's see. It's a good hair day, I guess. We have the Three of Cups and the Seven of Cups and the Four of Pentacles. One of you is deeply, deeply involved with other people also. And they're super, super, super confused whether they should give this dynamics a shot or not. Okay. So one of you is not able to let go of this habit of casually getting involved with other people also and enjoying their life with other situations, other bonds also, and then getting confused out of their mind whether they should work on this dynamics or they should let it go. They're not able to, one of you is not able to let go of this situation also, and this energy of remaining connected on remaining open to other people also, and that other connections involve physical intimacy too. What kind of messed up energies are these, Capricorn? If you are the one doing all of this, you are going in a shithole. You're not going to get shit in return. Telling you, if this is your person, God bless their soul, the good that doesn't exist. The outcome here is very messed up, Capricorn. I have never seen this kind of outcome in my life till this point. So I do see this energy of you guys connected to each other, actually very connected to each other, like it's unhealthy, it's toxic, and being connected to other energies also, and then being confused out of your minds, like what you guys should do next, but not doing shit about it, not doing anything about it. You're holding on to this energy of confusion, emotional overwhelming kind of deal, and then you guys are not able to understand what the hell you guys should do. One of you is definitely open to the idea of remaining connected to other people also, and remaining connected to you also, to this dynamic also, and this is creating so much complicated and messier kind of energies that it's not even funny. It's kind of draining. Okay, my love, this is your life. I cannot dictate you guys what to do. That's up to you. This is your free will, my love. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Cappies. Six of Pentacles. The guidance here is you guys have to figure out a balance in your life. You guys are like going in extremes. Either you're extremely single, hyper independent, or you're involved so deeply in something that you're losing yourself completely. You guys have to find the balance where you are. If you feel like remaining single, you should enjoy the singlehood. You should not be hyper, hyper independent, like I'm never going to connect with anybody, I hate everyone. Don't use people as objects, and don't use objects as people. I hope you're getting my point. You guys have to stop yourself going into the extremes. Either it's extreme hyper independence or it's extreme involvement. You guys have to figure out the balance. Otherwise, it's never going to be a healthy relationship in your life the way you guys should have it, the way every one of us deserve it. Capricorn, it's in your hands. It's like only you can change the energies, only you can shift the pattern. So, figure out the balance between these two extremes that you are going in. That is the guidance for you guys. I'm a little tired, so I'm keeping the readings very precise today without extra layer of lectures. Maybe next time. Mhm. Let's see. Let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, honey. So the answer to your question is, let's see what we have. Unlikely. Unlikely means no. Right now, for the time being, this is a no. Hmm? It's like it's not a permanent no, but right now it's a no. That's the answer. Very, very clear. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.